dance is called Die with a Smile. 32 count, 2 waltz. Let me start with section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Cross right over left in a sweep. Cross, sweep, whip to your right. In front, side, behind, side. Rock recover, quarter turn to your left with a sweep. Twinkle step, cross, side, recover. Cross left over right with a sweep and do a whip to your left. In front, side, behind, side. Drag your right next to left. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. 3, 8 turn to your right. With a sweep. 3, 8 turn with a sweep. And 1, 8 turn to your left. With a point. 3, 1, 8 turn to your right. With a sweep. 1, 8 turn to your left. With a sweep. Whip to your left. In front, side, behind, side. Touch, rolling bind to your right. Quarter, half, and 3, 8. Facing 130. So from here, section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, do a diamond fall away. Cross, side, back. Back 1, 8 to the left, facing 12 o'clock. Another 1, 8 to the left, facing 10:30. Cross, side, back, back. 1, 8 to the left, facing 9 o'clock. 1, 8 to the left, facing 7:30. Step forward on left. Make a quarter to your right. Bringing left next to right. Now facing 10:30. Do a balance step. Side, rock, recover. Side, rock, recover. So with a count, section 3 with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and last section. Step left to the side. Do a ball step. Step cross. Step right to the side. Step left back. Do a sailor. 1, 8 turn to your left. Behind, side, forward. Do a diamond fall away. Cross, side. 1, 8 to your left. Back. Facing 7:30. Step back again. 1, 8 turn to your left, facing 6 o'clock. 1, 8 turn to the left again, facing 4:30. And forward point. Make a 3, 8 turn to your right. And step left next to right. And you finish the dance here. The next dance will start from half turn to your right, half turn to the right, and you sweep your left over right side behind. And you start the dance again. Let me do the counting for section 4. You end your section 3 here. So section 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Finish. And you start 1, 2 and 3. So in this dance, there is a restart during wall 3. Wall 3 facing 12 o'clock. After 4 count, there is a restart. So from here, wall 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. continue the dance here. And during wall 5, there is another restart at 28 count. Wall 5, be facing 6 o'clock. Let me show you wall 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Over here, 4 and. So you start here, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you dance, finish the whole dance.